Okay, good morning, Farah. Sorry for today urgent meeting. I hope I give you enough time for preparation for you to get ready before answering this call. So, my name is Sarah Dini and I am a manager from Human Resources. So, how are you today? And is everything okay for you in working from home?
Yeah, morning, madam. Yeah, I'm fine. Just like regular day.
Okay, so actually today I'm calling you to inform that some new news about our company. So since MCO, I'm afraid to tell you that our company has gathered 50% loss from our previous revenue. This loss is because our because product less productivity, and also some outlet that has to close down due to MCO since March 18 March. So our other committee and I have discussed how we want to to cover the loss of our company. So we try our best to avoid downsizing of our company. So to um, we propose to to do a pay cut for you as a manager and also other employee. So the pay cut is proposed to start since April and May. For April and May is 50%. By June onward will be 20%. So for today call, I want to ask for your opinion how you want to cope with this pay cut. So do you agree as for this pay cut, or do you have I just want to know your view about this pay cut that has been proposed by the board of director.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, I have heard some rumors and already expected it. So, from my point of view, I think that 50% cut for April and May is too much because as everyone has responsibility such as to pay bills and other expenses like groceries and any loan, right? So besides, it is like unbearable as almost all our staff are living in Kuala Lumpur and Klang Valley. So and which is that high living cost, right?
Yes.
And I think that 50% cut is like too much. And then I heard that some of uh, team in marketing department have to subscribe to an internet plan like to fulfill the requirement for work from home. So 50% much will this 50% cut will affect much for all of us especially.
Okay, so I will take note about that matter. So, for on that, I know that some of you have some struggle due to MCO, as some of us even lost their job due to this MCO. So, for this matter, I want to know your suggestion as manager for this matter, because we still need to cover our company loss due to this MCO. So, what are your suggestions?
Regarding that, I
Yes.
understand that our company need to cover the cost and everything, but my suggestion is here, like maybe a company can make a pay cut to 20% or less, like for April, May, and June and onwards. So that everyone would be okay and not feel so much burden because of the pay cut.
Oh,
and I would be happy if our company find another solution and lessen the pay cut.
okay, so based on your view, so how about I just propose if since manager have higher salary than other employee, so can I suggest that manager pay cut will be 30% from April and May, and but the other employee receive the pay cut of 20% from its salary because other employee income is quite less from the manager. So how actually I am the one who will make decision on this matter. So I want to ask other opinion from other manager first. So how about your suggestion on like, do you agree with it, like 30% for manager for April and May, and 20% for other staff for April and May?
Oh, I think I'm okay with it. As
You
a manager, I think I agree with it.
okay? So about June onwards, can you how about for the June and onward? The original proposed is 20%. So I I want to stick on that for a manager and also other employees. So do you agree with that?
Um, 20%. 20%
Yes,
is okay.
20%
Yeah,
is okay for June onwards.
June onwards.
So I think I think that this conference call has made so with this conference call I have um, a confirmation from you, which is cut 30% for manager and 20% for other employee for April MA, and while 20% for June onward. So I will tell the board of director regarding this issue. So hopefully we can make decision in the future. So thank you for contributing, because for contributing to our company loss, because we hope that we can cover all the loss and avoid the downsizing of our company, because we care about all the employer
Yeah.
in our company. So do you have anything else to add about this matter?
Um, I think no, not for now.
Okay. So I think that's all from me for our today's call. So I will call you later or I call you, or I just send a memo about this matter later on your email for the decision that have been made. Okay.
Okay,
So
sure.
I hope you can cope with it, and also I hope you can like tell your employee before before the I think you can tell the employee after the decided the pay cut is decided. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So thank you for today.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Okay.